Hey guys, so today we're going to be talking about flame atmosphere speaker. So this is what comes out of the box. So it looks like a little lantern. This one comes singular, but you can also get some double pair online as well. So what's really cool about this is that it actually looks like a lantern, but it is rechargeable and it comes with a charger on the inside. It also comes with a manual how to use it as well. So here we have the on and off button because it does have a speaker and it's Bluetooth and you can connect your phone to it. Here is the plus and minus sign, so you can go ahead and decrease or increase the volume. Here is the one for the lights, so you basically just click on these and you just have two modes. So you have the flame, you have the still, and you have off. So go ahead, check it out.